How to fix Lenovo Tablet 10 is a common question for those experiencing issues with their device. Lenovo tablets are known for their versatility and user-friendly design, but like any gadget, they can occasionally run into problems. Whether you're dealing with a frozen screen or connectivity issues, this guide will walk you through practical steps to get your Lenovo Tablet 10 up and running in no time. Let's dive into a comprehensive guide on resolving common issues and breathing new life into your device. Steps to fix Lenovo Tablet 10. Step 1. Perform a soft reset. If your Lenovo Tablet 10 is unresponsive or frozen, a simple soft reset can often do the trick. To initiate a soft reset, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device powers off and restarts. This action will not erase your data and is a quick remedy for temporary glitches or when your device is sluggish. Step 2. Troubleshoot charging issues. First, inspect your charger and cable to ensure they are not damaged. Connect your charger to a different power outlet to check if the outlet is the issue. If your Lenovo Tablet 10 still doesn't charge, try using a different compatible charger. Cleaning any debris from the charging port with a dry cloth or compressed air can also help. Sometimes overheating can affect charging, so avoid charging your tablet on surfaces that trap heat like couches or beds. Step 3. Resolve connectivity problem. Experiencing trouble with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth? Start by toggling airplane mode on and off to reset all wireless connection. Check that your Wi-Fi is turned on and connected to the correct network. Forget the network and reconnect if necessary by entering your password again. For Bluetooth issues, unpair the devices and pair them again. If the problem persists, a network settings reset might be needed. Go to Settings, System, Reset, and select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. Step 4. Clear unnecessary files and cache. Overloaded storage can slow down your tablet significantly. To free up space, uninstall apps you no longer use by going to Settings, Apps and Notifications, and selecting the apps to uninstall. Additionally, clearing the cache can improve performance. Navigate to Settings, Storage, and tap Cached Data to clear the cache on your Lenovo Tablet 10. Step 5. Update the device software. Outdated software can lead to compatibility and performance issues. Ensure your Lenovo Tablet 10 is running the latest software by going to Settings, System, System Updates, and check for updates. If an update is available, download and install it to enhance security features, fix bugs, and gain new functionality. Step 6. Perform a factory reset. As a last resort for severe issues, a factory reset will restore your Lenovo Tablet 10 to its original settings. Be sure to back up your data as this will erase everything. To perform a factory reset, navigate to Settings, System, Reset, Factory Data Reset, and follow the prompt. Once completed, set up your tablet again and restore your data from the backup. Learning how to fix Lenovo Tablet 10 issues can save you time and a trip to the service center. Whether it's a simple reset, cleaning up your storage, or updating software, these steps will help ensure your tablet runs smoothly. Always prioritize backing up your data when performing substantial resets or updates. Remember, regular maintenance like keeping the software updated and cleaning the cache can prevent many of these issues from arising in the first place. Enjoy your revitalized Lenovo Tablet 10 experience.